know what it is, man. Welcome to Hive City 2, nigga. Welcome back to Hive City. After all this work I put in, man, I'm still one of the most overlooked. Still one of the most underrated. But guess what, though? I'm still the British. You feel me? Yeah, my granny thinking I'm in trouble, I'm just in the music. But if a nigga wants some trouble, I can introduce it. All my niggas ball hogs, they just in the shooting. And fuck a throwaway, we keep them like we never use them. Cell phone slap, rap buzz got bigger, dropped emotional. So I can show the hoes who the realest, no emotions in these streets. Throw a slug, then I'm chillin', mix the potion with the drink. Now the mud got me feeling like I'm dead, need a bed. Pop a bar, then I snooze, that's your man. He a fed, cause you with him, you want two. He a hoe, you want two. Hard work, we the crew. I'm so true to all my niggas, I should yell hootie hoo. Like P&M, sitting in the trap till like 3 a.m. Just so I can walk up in the sacks and order 3 of them. Pair of Louis kicks, nigga. Yeah, I'm on that tip, nigga. Only make it rain with a chopper. I don't tip strippers. All white coupe, sunroof, me and dip in it. Ride through the zone off Patron, take a sip with us. Team full of bosses, only made niggas sit with us. Only cuff a bitch, just a stuffer, put a script in her. I remember long nights driving on that road, taking trips down the way, get them bitches gone. I used to pay 13 and sell them for the low. Now they pay me what I want just to do a show. I remember nights I was on that road. I remember pouring out the pint, leaning off a fold. I remember back when it was tight. Yeah, we always broke. A couple niggas act like they forgot, but I remember though. Sitting in the trap, no heat, one blanket on me, trying to bring it back, cooking crack, no apron on me. Every day I think about terror, why they take them from me? Ever since I only want revenge and I'm still waiting on it. Riding through the city, low key, with it on me. Blowing on a 3.5 out the OZ. The contact will get you coolie high, call it cold cheese. Oh shit, whoop, 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 that's the police. Damn cops been harassing me since 8th grade. Lock them up and leave them there, that's what the state say. My little brother almost home, free AJ, stay raised. All we talk is green dots and JPays. All these bitches plotting and all these niggas hating. Dropped a re-up, they went crazy, now the whole city waiting. On this next one, I'ma bless them. Other rappers, yeah, I stress them. They finessing days is done after, bro, they know I'm next up.